The first step is to select the data you want to filter. Simply click and drag your cursor over the cells containing the data. Next, click the Filter button located in the Data tab of the Excel ribbon. This will bring up a drop-down menu with various filter options. Now it's time to choose a filter option. You can choose to filter by values, colors, or even text. Simply select the option that best suits your needs. You can further customize your filter by selecting specific criteria, such as a range of dates or a certain value. This will narrow down your data to only show what you need. Finally, you can analyze your filtered data by sorting it in ascending or descending order, or by using other Excel tools like pivot tables or charts. And there you have it. Creating a filter in Excel is a simple but powerful tool that can save you time and help you make more informed decisions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check out the free playlist in the description below to learn more about Excel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.